In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a sports poster in Canva. Whether you're creating a poster for an upcoming game, promoting your sports event, or just getting creative with your sports graphics, this quick guide will help you create something eye-catching and professional, all within a matter of minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Canva. If you're not familiar, Canva is a fantastic, user-friendly graphic design tool that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned designers. Once you're there, you'll want to create a new design by navigating to the poster option. This sets up your canvas to the perfect dimensions for standard posters, ensuring everything you create is print ready. Now, on to choosing a template. Canva offers a plethora of templates to get you started, but you also have the option to start with a blank canvas if you're feeling particularly creative. Templates are a great way to get inspiration and help you envision your layout. However, starting from scratch allows for a totally personalized touch. One of the key aspects of designing a sports poster is the visuals. You want to make sure you're using high-quality images or even abstract textures that convey energy and movement. This can mean dynamic photos of athletes in action or artistic textures that suggest speed and agility. To enhance your images, try applying filters, duotone effects, or gradients for a more dramatic and engaging visual. These effects can transform a simple image into something truly compelling, drawing attention to the key elements of your poster. Next, it's time to add your main visual element. This may be the centerpiece photo or illustration of your poster, so make sure it stands out. Position it in a way that balances your overall design. If your image needs a little refining, you can use Canva's background remover tool to isolate your main subjects. This tool is incredibly handy for making sure your visuals are crisp and the focus stays where you want it. Head over to the toolbar and click on Text to add a heading to your poster. Bold, large fonts work well for headlines, especially when trying to capture attention quickly. Make sure your text is clear and legible, as you'll want it to be easily read from a distance. Now, it's time to visit the Elements section. Here, you can add different shapes, lines, or even motion blur effects, which help convey a sense of movement and enthusiasm, a perfect complement for sports-themed projects. These elements can also be used to guide the viewer's eye across the design or add visual interest. Once you're satisfied with the design, it's time to download your masterpiece. Choose PNG for a high-quality image download, or go for MP4 if your design has animated elements and you'd like a short video version. And there you have it. You've just created a dynamic sports poster in Canva. Thanks for watching and happy designing.